Good morning, everyone. Hope all of you are healthy and fit at your places. I'm Ms. Bhavana Mehta, your English teacher. Student, today we are going to start our new topic of English grammar, and the topic name is the prepositions. Student, prepositions are the word or the group of words which are generally placed before a noun or a pronoun to express its relations with other parts of the sentences. In short, we can say that positions words are known as prepositions. So now, let's start our class with the brief knowledge about the prepositions. So, let's begin our class.
The preposition. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show direction, place, time, location, relation, or to introduce an object. For example, in, on, into, of, above, etc. Preposition usually describes the position of something, the time when something happened, and the way in which something is done. Now we can say that position words are prepositions. Now student, let's know how preposition is used in a sentence. We use preposition in, on, and under to show the position of a noun. For example, the pen is in the box. Here, the word in shows the position of a noun. And the next sentence is, he is sitting on the chair. Again, here the preposition on tells the position of a noun. Next rule is, we use preposition at and on to show the time. For example, the class starts at 8 a.m. Here, the word at tells the time of a noun. And the next sentence is, I am going to Spain on Wednesday. Here, again the word on show the time. Next rule is, we use preposition by to show how something is done. For example, we traveled by car. Here the word by is showing how something is done. Next rule is, we use preposition to and of to show the possession of a noun. For example, the book belongs to Ram. Here, the word to show the possession of a Ram. And the next sentence is, the door of the house is red And again the word of is showing the position of house. Now student, let us learn more about preposition. Children, can you see these 4 pictures? You can see a common ball. And the question is, where is the ball? In picture number 1, you can see the ball is in the box. And in picture number 2, you can see the ball is on the table. And in picture number 3, you can see the ball is under the table. And in the last picture, you can see the ball is near the table. So, in this way, we can say that positions words are preposition, because here we can see the ball is in different position in the different pictures. Children, a preposition is a word that tells us where a person, a place, an animal, or a thing is. For example, in, on, under, near are the common prepositions. Children, let us do exercise of the preposition. Now tell me, where is the Chester? The Chester is in the box. And now, where is the Chester? The Chester is in front of the box. And now, where is the Chester? The Chester is next to the box. And now, where is the Chester? The Chester is under the box. And now, where is the Chester? The Chester is on the box. And now, where is the Chester? The Chester is between the boxes.
Student, I hope all of you have enjoyed today's class. Now we'll meet in our next video with new topic. Till then, bye. Take care and have a nice day. Bye-bye.